Oliver and I are talking about festival flowers. Oliver is our color guy. You do all the color for festival flowers. And I've got 3 planters or hanging planters in the back of my truck right now that are mine that I need for you to plant up with seasonal color. And we talked about that at the Horticulture Expo.
Yes.
It being something, whatever.
Yes.
You're good at, you know our vision, you know what to do. We're going to trust you. And those are going here. Yeah. Because originally those were supposed to be light posts and we were going to do hanging baskets on either side. But what we decided was you're going to do, I think you said you had some color baskets.
I have some verbena that you guys like.
So we'll use those there and there. And then we're going to use mine and put them on top. Instead of a light fixture, we're just going to put more color on top and just keep adding to that. Just solid color.
Good. So see these here?
Yeah, beautiful.
They're looking great now.
Yeah.
But they were supposed to be ready for the trade show.
And they weren't?
They were not. So I got those.
Okay. Let me snap some photos of them so I know what we're...
It was a geranium or a verbena?
It was a geranium.
Ah, okay.
The geranium was a pink with a red center.
Okay.
That was the one they were so in love with.
We can go look.
But hold on, let me take photos of these because I do want to make sure that if we use the geraniums that you're talking about, that we're getting a verbena. If we do verbena in the hanging ones, that we get something that goes with it, and it's not gonna. We don't want to clash.
Yes.
All right. Hold up. What is?
You like that color?
Well, it's just different. It's different than what we just saw over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. God, it does not show up on my phone at all.
Yeah, the sun brings that kind of color out better.
It's so much different in the front than it's so
So
deep.
this kind of look you're going to have inside that tent.
Yeah,
anyway.
I like that.
Lighter, paler.
It's like almost the same colors that fuchsia is.
Yeah.
I guess that's the color it would be, fuchsia. Okay,
we don't have to walk
on.
down there. No, we can walk.
It's up to you. I just wanted to see that. I'm immediately drawn to this color, but I don't know if you have enough to make it that solid. Because I do also love the massive red. Like it's making my eye like.
Yes.
You know what I'm talking about? Like we're really trying to do color blocking.
I can take. That's the same color that you're liking.
Yeah. Okay.
I will take 50 of those, put them in baskets, in bigger containers. And just,
now, do you have the geranium that we talked about at the Horticulture Expo that I can compare what that looks like with? You know what I'm talking about?
I may not have that one.
The one that they love so very much?
This would be the closest that I think was to that color. This right here.
Yeah.
And that was more of a ivy geranium that cascades, not a zonal like these are. That's the closest I would have in that color.
To me, whatever you're gonna get the most amount of color of, you know, like if verbena is just totally popping, then do that.
Just, get that trail look, it's flowing like that. That's,
the verbena.
A lot of training.
Well, so that's for the baskets, but then we've got the geranium or whatever is supposed to go around that bridge in the front. So those can be not the verbena. They can be something that if it's a geranium, that's fine.